Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how you can make these beautiful rose flower with this very easy technique. Here we are taking this pink crepe paper. You can take whatever color you like. You can take red color. Now we are going to hold it from one side and look at the twisting pattern. Now with your thumb, first twist the crepe paper like this and give it a shape like we are doing here till the end. After this, we are going to hold it from the starting point and start rolling it like this. Hold it from its bottom and now you have to roll it lightly. Don't tie the roll like this, and look, your rose flower is ready. Finally, we are going to tie it using a rubber band. We are using a rubber band here. You can use thread in place of this. Now gently open the petals using your thumb and look, your beautiful rose flower is ready. Look at these sparkling rose flowers. Let's make it. Here we are going to cut 8 cm blue ribbon. Now start folding it from one side and paste it using this lighter, and similar way we are going to paste it from other side as well. It will melt the fabric and you will easily paste it this way. Now make more such petals. After this we are going to put hot glue gun on all the petals like this and overlap and paste it like this. We're going to paste it in a straight line like this using hot glue gun. After this we are going to flip it. Now put hot glue gun on all the petals like this. Now put a wooden stick and start rolling it. Here we are going to make rose flowers, so roll it and put more hot glue gun and look, it's done. In the base we are going to put more glue and look, it's done. Now put glue on the top of the rose and dip it in these sparkles and look, it is ready. Look at these beautiful rose flowers. Let's make it. We are going to use toilet paper, but you can use tissue paper in place of this. So we are going to fold it into half. Now hold it from one corner and make 2 folds. Now we are going to roll it initially like this. Now look carefully. Here we are going to make this twisted pattern. So fold the paper like this and then roll it like we are doing here. This way you will get a beautiful white rose flower at the end. Here we are going to twist it over and over again and start rolling the tissue paper like this, and finally you will get this beautiful rose flower. At the end we are going to tie it. You can use a thread. Here we are using rubber band and tie it and it will fix like this. You can make more such flowers and make beautiful patterns, like we are making a heart shape here. Put balls around it for decoration. You can make bouquet out of it, or you can also make home decor pieces like this moon, and look, it is ready. Let's make beautiful rose flower. We are going to curl the petals and put colors on the edges of it. Paste all the petals like this and look, your beautiful rose flower is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.